1-8 clear to land, tree Quebec. 1700. 1600. 1500. Wind is shifting a lot here. We're going to stay at 15 for now. Turning for final. RPM. Alright, I'm booking.
Cleared in the northwest.
Extra 2 Norma Lima, frequency change approved, see ya.
Tower 6 Golf Bravo, good field, right, downwind.
Tower 6 Golf Bravo, runway 18, wind variable at 6, cleared to land.
Alright, clear to land, 18, 6 Golf E.
Tower 33 Quebec, save a parking spot.
Quick, tree Quebec, I'd like to taxi back. I'm going to take the right here on the Gulf, please, and then back to 1-8, please.
Tower 33 Quebec, runway 18, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
1-8, taxi to via Alpha Charlie, tree Quebec. Alright, clean airplane up. Flaps. The 1 notch of flaps near carpet is off. Landing lights off, extra fuel pump off, mixture clean. Alright, that was a little hairy. Whew. Open. Cool this down.
Tower 3956, Mike Oxford, runway 18, taxi via Alpha Charlie. Give way to the aircraft taxiing right to left on Alpha.
Good afternoon, Oxford Tower, Cardinal 35186, 10 to the east southeast, inbound, Bravo.
Cardinal 35186, Oxford Tower, reported midfield left downwind, runway 18.
186, so reported midfield left downwind for 18, 186.
Oh, feels nice. There's Atlantic. Climb into the wind. Climb into the wind. Oh, looks like they're putting a nice anchor here. Serious. Coming in, serious. Cherish.